Their crimes were serious. These two had been tried and convicted of robbery. Now they were paying the price.
But executing men for stealing? Their punishment hardly fit their crime. One of them was quick to shout out his indignation.
If you are who you say you are, the criminal cried, save yourself and us.
This man obviously saw the injustice of the whole situation. But the other criminal, the one hanging on the other side of Jesus, yelled back.
We deserve our punishment, but this other man, he has done nothing wrong.
A bold statement indeed, and the truth. For he recognized in a moment that Jesus, the man hanging next to him, was sinless. Then the dying thief realized and confessed his own sin.
This man, at the cross, came offering repentance.
And there he found forgiveness.
For